Hi, I'm Anthony Brister, founder of Brister Law Firm. If you're a business owner or a parent, your financial life isn't simple. You've got multiple priorities pulling at you: income taxes, raising kids, retirement planning, protecting your assets, maybe even preparing to sell your business one day. So, how do you build a financial plan that actually works? One that grows with you instead of falling apart under pressure? The answer is real coordinated planning, and that's what we're diving into today. Most people think financial planning starts and ends with investing, but that's just one piece of the puzzle. True financial planning is a full roadmap that brings every area of your financial life into alignment. It includes cash flow management, understanding what's coming in, what's going out, and how to create breathing room. It involves risk management and insurance, protecting your income, business, and loved ones if something unexpected happens. Retirement strategy, not just saving, but knowing how and where to save based on your goals and your tax situation. Tax planning, proactively reducing your tax liability with legal strategies that actually work for business owners. Education and estate planning, preparing for the next generation, whether that's college, inheritance, or succession. These elements shouldn't live in separate silos. They should communicate and support each other like departments in a well run business. Most people aren't failing because of laziness, they're failing because they didn't know watch out for. Some of the most common gaps I see include no emergency fund or cash reserves. When an unexpected bill can throw everything off track, underinsured families and businesses, especially in life insurance, disability, and key person coverage, missing out on tax strategies, on the simple things like entity structuring, family payroll, or retirement contribution planning, investments disconnected from your goals. So, saving money in the wrong place or taking too much risk for your stage of life, lack of estate planning. So, wills, trust, and succession plans are either outdated or you're missing it entirely. These gaps don't just cause inefficiencies, they create vulnerabilities that can jeopardize everything that you've been working to build. So, where do you start? Start with cash flow. If you don't know what your numbers look like monthly, you can't build anything stable. Then protect your income through insurance, legal entities, and risk mitigation strategies. Invest wisely, not based on hype, but based on your needs, risk tolerance, and timeline. Cut your tax bill year round, not just in April. Proactive tax planning can free up thousands. Then build with the long game in mind. Think generationally. Your plan should not just work for you, but for your family, your future, and your freedom. This isn't about perfection, but it's about direction. Small shifts today can lead to massive outcomes over time. If you want to see what a comprehensive financial strategy really looks like and how it can be customized to fit your business, your family, and your goals, read the blog below. It breaks down on how each piece fits together, what mistakes to avoid, how to start building a system that supports your long term growth. At Brister Law Firm, we don't just focus on tax or legal planning. We help you build a life that's protected, optimized, and set up to grow with you. The sooner you start, the more powerful your plan becomes.